So our new SLS system is a new kind of printing technology. Unlike a lot of our older printers that are filament-based, meaning they melt a spool of plastic, this is a new system that uses a laser to melt very small powdered plastic together.
I see a lot of opportunities for a senior design project, especially in mechanical engineering for students like myself. I also feel that it's really important that mechanical engineering students have access to new technologies like this. So there aren't that many opportunities for students to actually interact with these types of machines. So having them available to us lets us learn about them before we actually start working in the industry. One thing I really like about SLS printing is that it's really nice to know the limitations of FDM printing and resin printing of stuff that I'm used to. And then having a machine that just completely surpasses those expectations of just oh, this wouldn't be possible to make, these haunches don't work, this is too small, this is too big. A lot of that stuff can just be overcome with this machine.
So the SLS printer has really enhanced our ability to learn and think about 3D printing because it's a whole new avenue of 3D printing. SLS printing allows us to have a much more free printing experience. Only a couple people, only a couple companies really have access to this. So getting your foot in the door and saying, hey, I've used SLS technology before, I've worked with Formlabs on this. It is, it's very useful. It's another tool in your toolbox that you can kind of just pull out and be like, hey, by the way, I also understand manufacturing in this scope.
We're just really excited to have this technology on campus and have other options for students, faculty, and staff to be able to produce whatever they can come up with, whatever kind of innovation they could create between all of the different software and resources we have here. This is just another step in being able to provide cutting-edge education and services to our community.